flexing like these bitches do. You could see it in my pictures, bitches, nothing new. I ain't talking about my revenue. Blessed with every second that I get to do exactly what I dreamed of when I was a little kid. It's a dream, never thought I would get to live. So now I ain't trying to catch up to you. All I can be is authentic, you gon' get the truth. It's the truth, hey. I ain't really got no bling, I don't wear no chain. You know when you see me around town, let me do my thing. I ain't really pop no tags, really got no swag. But if you need something, I probably got it in my Louis. I got it, that's what you got it. I got it, yes I do. Every you for me, I'm lonely without my Louis on me. I ain't dripping ice, no new freezer, but I'm tryna live life every day, saying where I wanna leave it. Can't name my price, but I'm riding in a Beamer, yeah, ain't no two-seater. More room to kick my feet up. Feeling like a boss-ass bitch these days. Life is more than just getting paid. Yeah, you could bet your chips. Hope and wish and lose it all so quick these days. Yeah, this the gift mama gave me. Yeah, this the way daddy raised me. And when I get stressed, I just remember I'm blessed. Ain't no complaining, I ain't changing. I ain't really got no bling, I don't wear no chain. You know when you see me around town, let me do my thing. I ain't really pop no tags, really got no swag. But if you need something, I probably got it in my Louis. I got it, that's what you got it. I got it, yes I do. Heavy up on me, I'm lonely without my Louis on me.
All right, guys, as you just saw, I just got done with my hair. It was a lot. It was a long day. Alexa, what time is it in New York?
In New York, it's 5:51 p.m.
Thank you. So,
You bet.
that took almost the entire day, almost 8 hours. I started a little before 10, and it's after 5 right now. So, here we go. This is the brand that I use, New York braid pre-stretched. It's color 1B, 24 inches. I got it on Amazon. I was freaking out, I'm not gonna lie, because like I said earlier, it was only 6 packs, and like, what we doing, where we going with that? Nowhere. But I feel like maybe because I was in like the praise and worship, God made it stretch. That, and also I've lost a lot of hair recently and completely stress induced, but you know, who live our lives. But not only was 6 packs enough, usually it takes like 8 packs to do my hair. It's on my closet, y'all. I had to clean them today. But there's also hair left over. This almost never happens. So I was very grateful for that. I didn't have any gel or anything, so my edges just look like this. My hair naturally lays this flat in the front without me brushing it or anything like that. Like, look at, I can, and then it just lays. So I guess I have built-in baby hairs, but whatever. But most people do. Let me not make myself sound special. Anyways, yeah, so I'm done with that. I'm gonna take a shower because I just wanted to do this before I took a shower, you know, get all the hair off of me. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm going to sit back, relax with a little bit of wine because yesterday was Thursday. I didn't do anything for, you know, Thursday is my bench night. I didn't do anything for that. So yes, nice glass of wine. I'm not really hungry because you guys just saw all that food I just ate. Like, I think it's been like 4 hours now since I ate that. It was after 3 hours, whatever. But yeah, I'm not hungry. I feel a little snacky and I don't have any snacks. So I'm gonna, whatever. I'm just gonna drink wine and then see where my food cravings take me. Anyways, yeah. Good morning, you guys. It is Saturday morning. I'm on my way to work. I cannot wear makeup this morning, literally, because I put these nails on yesterday. I got these off of Amazon. They're super cute, right? But they're also extra long. And so my makeup powder dropped and the pan broke and it went everywhere. So no makeup this morning, which means I have a little bit more time. I'm going to go to Target after work. I don't have time to go in the morning, but I'm going to work. I might get Dunkin' this morning. I'm feeling my usual. I'm feeling my large iced caramel macchiato, hash browns, a sandwich, maybe a donut. Who knows? But I can't do that standing here talking to y'all. Oh, also I'm feeling these nails. They're so cute. This is what it just says false nails. I don't know. I googled on Lord. I looked it up on Amazon. It doesn't come with glue. It was the nails. This is how the pack looked when it came in. So it doesn't really have a name. It just said like long. It says OUTYA. This is the name on the thing. Super long matte press-ons. And I thought I ordered medium because my search was for medium, and I saw, oh my gosh, matte nails. Yes. And yes, I'm a stan now for matte nails. I love everything matte. I don't know. But oh, sorry, my arm's hurting. But yeah, so now I have these long nails I don't know how to type with. To put my face lotion on, I had to use my knuckle and put it on my face. But these nails are so cute. So I'm at work right now. I got my iced coffee. I have a breakfast sandwich and some hash browns. They always give me ketchup, but I never eat ketchup. And Dunkin' hash browns are literally the best. I got breakfast sandwich. I'm gonna scarf all of this down. I'm gonna scarf all of this down. Today's Saturday, so there's no lunch break, and then eat quickly, and then head out at like 3 p.m. today, 3:30. Let's be honest, maybe 4. It's a Saturday, so I hope y'all can hear me. I feel like I'm whispering. Anyways, whew. What a morning! What a morning already. Anyways, see y'all soon. Hi guys, I am back from work. It is still Saturday. I broke this nail, but I reapplied it, so if it goes, it's gone. Typing, very hard. Did it, but very hard. I don't know how y'all do nails this long, child. My next set is not gonna be this long at all. Go back to my little medium length that I'm used to. Let me not act like I've been wearing nails all my life. I've only been wearing nails for 6 months, okay? Okay. Drink of the night is red wine. Food is being delivered. Y'all will see. Leave a comment down below what you think I ordered. Because I didn't do Thursday binge night. I didn't do that this week because Thursday took me out and today almost took me out. So here we are. But this is the Cocoa Bon. Y'all know I drink the same thing all the time. It's the Cocoa Bon red blend. Fantastic. It's not too sweet. It's not too dry. My friend yesterday was showing me this like wine app that it like rates wines, and on that app Venmo, like Venmo, something like that. But this on that app was a 3.8 stars out of 5. So I'm just saying the palate is well trained. But this is not about me drinking, but this is sad. I came home to Amazon packages. It is like my favorite thing to come home to packages. I ordered it, but you know, memory is just not solid when I'm stressed. So I do not know what I ordered. What's in these packages? I got 2. They're really light. They don't feel heavy at all. Really light. They don't feel heavy at all. I don't know what's in them. I don't remember. I ordered like a bunch of things, not a bunch, you know, essentials, but still a bunch of things between Thursday night and Saturday or Friday. So Thursday, Friday. So let's open it, shall we? Let's find out. dual purpose, okay? Yo, you know what's in this package? Dental floss. I went to Dwayne Reed and I got dental tape and not dental floss, so I wasted my money. I already opened it, and it, you know, tape is a lot thicker than floss, so which I can't even floss with these nails on because these are way too long. I tried and failed woefully. I don't like to run out of things before I restock, so I'm almost out of floss, and so that's why, you know, oral health is important. So that when you're going and you're talking to people and you're kissing them, or, you know, trying to live your best life, we don't smell what you ate for dinner 2 weeks ago. Floss your teeth. Don't be nasty. Okay. Let's see what the second package has. Oh, Lord. I'm gonna break this thing one day. I already know. I hope it's not today, but what did I order? It's like, wait, is this even mine? Okay, yes, it is mine. It's a heart. Is this what I think it is? I forgot I ordered this. Y'all are about to make fun of me, and you know what? I don't care, because if this is what I think it is, I am uber excited. Prepare yourself for what's in here. I'm excited. Can you guess? It's expanding. Can you even freaking guess? I got myself a teddy bear. Yo, I swear I'm a child. Oh my gosh, I have to call my friend. I got myself a teddy bear. How cute. Look it. It's Mr. Woods. Oh! Good morning, you guys. You guys just saw me get ready with this look. Something really simple, something really soft, really cute. I'm feeling like I want to go to brunch today, and no one is available to go, so I'm gonna go by myself. It's something I haven't done in forever. I used to do this all the time. So I'm gonna go on like a solo brunch date. I'm gonna go to Target first, and then I am going to brunch at Caribbean Social, and then I'll make my way back home, and I'll show y'all what I got from Target Boutique. Ready? Let's go.
Everybody pay heed to my Jew. Cavalli. You pay heed to my Jew. Respect the beat you.
Just Prince.
My Jew la baju.
I really do. She called my heart. My head chocolate. I started going crazy. Like back and by you, oh. That time with me, you showing me loving. You showing me loving. Anything you want from me, I will be your ATM. We can spend money, oh. We can waste money, oh. Baby, we can follow a place. I throw your penny on my head. I got the ball head, sir. Man, you bad, da-da-da. I bad, da-da-da. The two bad, da-da-da. We make it change your pole, da-da-da. Man, you bad, da-da-da. Forget. I'm a say I too bad, da-da-da. The two bad, da-da-da. We make it change your pole, da-da-da. Troublemaker. We troublemaker.
We troublemaker.
We causing trouble.
Yeah, yeah.
We staring trouble. When they see you, they talking. When they see me, they talking. The how you looking? Like Christina say, oh, we can spend money, oh. We can waste money, oh. Baby, we can follow our place.
Alright, guys, I'm on my way home. Walking to whatever, train, bus station, something. I don't know, food was good, service sucked, so probably not going back there, but food was really good. I might reconsider. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you for coming along with me this weekend. I'm gonna go home, be on my rooftop, edit, and do, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but yeah. I'm just really tired, I'm full, I'm happy. We'll see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.